Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. What are their present ages? That means here, according to this question, here we should find the age of Shobha and age of Shobha's mothers. Okay. So here, Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. 6 times Shobha's present age. That means Shobha's age is not mentioned here. So here we should take a Shobha's present age. Let the Shobha's present age, Shobha's present age be X years. Shobha's present age be X years. Then when Shobha's present age it become X means Shobha's mother's present age it become 6X according to the question. Shobha's mother's present age is 6X because 6 times Shobha's present age. 6 times Shobha's present age. The next point, Shobha's age 5 years from now. What is the Shobha's age? X years. Shobha's age is X years. Shobha's age 5 years from now. From present age is X. From now means plus 5. Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. 1/3 of his mother's age. What is the mother's age? 6X. Okay. 1/3 of his mother's age means 1/3 into 6X. 1/3 of his mother's age. Okay. Then, so 3 you should take to LHS side. 3 into X plus 5 is equal to 6X. 3 into X multiply 3X plus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 6X. Then plus 15 you should take to RHS side plus 6X you should take to LHS side. 3X minus 6X is equal to minus 15. Now 6 minus 3, 3. Biggest number sign is negative, so you should write minus. Okay, minus 3X is equal to minus 15. Now both side negative signs we got here, so get cancelled. So 3X is equal to 15. Then 3 you should take to RHS side, it goes to denominator. So X is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now X is equal to 5 means here, what is the X here? Shobha's present age. So therefore, Shobha's present age, Shobha's present age, it become, that is X here, that is X is equal to 5 we got, so 5 years. Shobha's present age, that is 5 years. Then what about Shobha's mother's present age? 6X is there. So Shobha's mother's present age is, what is here? 6X. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So 30 years. Okay. Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot. Narrow rectangular plot. Here is, according to this question, there is a one plot is there, rectangular shaped plot. Okay. Reserved for a school in Mahauli village. Name of the village is Mahauli. So that area is reserved for a school. For school purpose, that area is reserved. That shape, that area of that shape is in rectangular shaped. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio. Length and breadth of this plot are given in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter. Okay, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Okay, to cover this plot per meter 100 rupees they were mentioned. Okay, to put the cover this area. Okay, fence means what? To cover that area. By taking the wire, they are going to cover that area. Okay, so per meter how much it is? 100 rupees. Total amount what they given, panchayat mentioned that total amount is 75,000. Okay, 75,000 rupees. Then when it is given in the ratio means what we should do? We should take the common ratio be x. Let the length and breadth of a rectangular area be x. Okay, common ratio. Let the length and breadth of a rectangular area be x. So better you can take common ratio here. Common ratio. Common ratio be x. Then first point what is given here? 11. The length, first here length is mentioned. Okay, so therefore here length of a rectangular length of a rectangular plot is 11x. Okay, then and breadth of rectangular plot is, second 4 is there, here breadth is there, so here what we should take a 4x. Okay, now perimeter covering this area means what we should find, that is the perimeter of a rectangular plot. So here what we should take here, perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Now this 2 as it is, L means here 11x plus breadth is 4x. Now this is equal to 11 plus 4, that is 15, 2 into 15x, 2 into 15, that is equal to 30x. Okay, so what is the area here? Perimeter 30x. Now what is given again? At the rate of rupees 100 per meter. Okay, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? That means first we should find the value of x. Then so according to the question here given that the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter is rupees 75,000. Cost what is given? Per meter 100 rupees. Total cost how much it is given? 75,000. Okay. Now next point. So 100 into 100 rupees per meter, okay, into perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to total amount 75,000. Okay. Then now what we got there? Perimeter how much we got? 30x. 100 into 30x is equal to 75,000. Okay. Then this you multiply 30 into 100. So it become 3000. So that you take to RHS side. So x is equal to 75,000 divided by 30,000. Sorry, 3000. Okay, 30 into 100 is, that is 3000. Then denominator 3 zeros, numerator 3 zeros get cancelled. Then 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 1 remainder, 3 5 ja 15. 3 2 ja 6, 1 remainder, 3 5 ja 15. So x is equal to 25. The next point, so here x is equal to 25 we got. So what is the length of a rectangular plot? 11x. So therefore the length of the rectangular plot, the length of the rectangular plot is equal to 11 into x. 11 into what we got x value? 25. Okay. Then multiply 11 into 25. 25 into 11 multiplied. Okay. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, then here plus 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 2 is 2. Add it, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, then this 2. So here 275 meters. Okay, length is 275 meters. Then what is the breadth? So breadth is equal to, that is 4 into x, 4 into what we got x value? 25. So 4 into 25, so this is equal to 100 meters. So length of a rectangular plot is 275 meters. Then breadth of a rectangular plot is 100 meters.